A prison lockdown is a controlled security response. It is used to stabilize an incident, restore order, or protect safety inside an establishment. Contrary to popular portrayal, a lockdown is procedural, not chaotic. In the UK prison system, a lockdown may be imposed for several reasons. These include violence on a wing, intelligence relating to weapons or contraband, a serious assault, a death in custody, or an escape risk. It may also follow coordinated disorder or an external security concern. The decision to restrict movement is made by senior management. The governor or duty governor authorises the lockdown. Instructions are communicated across the prison via radio and internal systems. Staff move quickly to secure their areas. The first step is containment. Prisoners are returned to their cells. Those already locked remain there. Association stops immediately. Workshops, education and gym sessions are suspended. Once secured, the prison becomes static. Landings are cleared, gates are locked, movement between wings stops. Only essential staff continue operating. A partial lockdown may affect a single wing. A full lockdown can apply to the entire establishment. During this period, prisoners remain in their cells until further notice. Meals may be served through hatches. Showers and phone access are suspended unless authorised. Operational support units may be deployed if required. These are specially trained staff equipped to manage serious disorder. Their presence is preventative as much as responsive. While prisoners remain confined, staff assess the situation. This may involve searching cells, reviewing CCTV, gathering intelligence, or securing evidence. Healthcare teams remain available, particularly if the lockdown follows violence or medical emergency. Communication is controlled. Information is shared internally on a need-to-know basis. External communication may be limited while facts are established. Lockdowns vary in length. Some last an hour. Others may extend across an entire day. In rare cases involving serious incidents, restrictions can continue longer while investigations are conducted. Throughout, the objective remains consistent: restore stability, maintain safety, preserve order. When management are satisfied the risk has been addressed, restrictions are lifted in stages. Movement resumes gradually. Regime is restored. There is no spectacle. A prison lockdown is not sirens and shouting. It is doors closing, radios transmitting, and procedures being followed. Within the UK custodial estate, lockdowns are part of structured contingency planning. They are designed to contain risk quickly and lawfully. This is what happens during a prison lockdown. Unknown record. Hit subscribe and check out the full prison series on the channel.